Very good afternoon, friends. Uh, this is Ujjal Chakraborty from Chamcash. Today, I would like to show you how to earn at least $10 per day. So, how you can do it? There is some process. You have to follow some instruction. With the instruction, you can get more knowledge. So, friends, let us go how to get the Chamcash more income. Okay. First of all, you go from the Chamcash. You have the income junction. In the income junction, there you can see some video walls, and the video walls like that ad colony Wangle. And in the ad colony or Wangle, you can see that there are some ads you have to follow at least for few minutes, a few seconds. This is how exactly the ad. You have to complete the full session, friends. If you don't complete the full session, you cannot get the dollar. So if I complete the ad totally, I can get one credit. But this process actually not working with all the mobile. My dear friends, you have to have your VPN. You have to have your VPN. So how to get the VPN? That is also important thing that we would like to make. Each and every mobile has to have a VPN. So see, I have completed one ad. So that's why I will be getting one point. Means one credit. So let's see how to have a VPN in a mobile. Suppose if you don't have a VPN, you have to go from your Play Store. You have to write down in Play Store VPN. You see VPN, there are VPN apps, VPN. So if you go to the VPN apps, then there is the instruction like VPN master, VPN free VPN proxy SN app, like that. So as I have already installed, you can see like this one. This is my VPN. So first of all, you have to select the Germany country. It is not mandatory that you have to select Germany only. You can select any country, but with the help of this VPN, you can watch the ad as fast as possible. So I have selected. Suppose I am selected. I am selecting Germany as a country. So as soon as the VPN is getting contacted, there will be icon like this. Icon shows that your VPN connected to VPN. You are safe to browse now. Okay. So that means my connection has already been activated. So what I'd like to do right now, I minimize that one. Okay, I'll go to the Chamcash, and then I will go to the from the menu, I will go to the income junction, and in the income junction you can see there is a video walls. आप देख सकते हैं video walls यहाँ पर है. आप क्लिक कीजिए. You just click on the video walls. You can also see the Wangle. The moment you will select the Wangle, there will be ad, and these are some of the ads, but this is actually not the video ads. You have to wait for the video ads. Maybe it will be coming within a short time. Wait for a short time. Maybe there is no ad just now. So again, what you can do just now, if you don't become worried, you don't have to worry about. You just go to again to your VPN. You go to your VPN. You will have to select the country. You have to select a country. Oh yeah, actually it's asking for any rate. No, I will not rate it now. First of all, I would like to select the country like France. See, suppose I have connected France. Okay, so I am touching the VPN, and it will take a short time to get it connect. Like that, it is getting connected. Switch location to France. So as you can see that with the connection, yes, I have already got connected. Just now minimize it. You have to minimize the option. Again, you can go to the front. You can go to your Chamcash. You can go from your browser. You can go to the income junction. From income junction, you can have video walls. From video walls, you can see ad colony. So we have to wait if there is any advertisement coming right now. So friends, each and every day we are supposed to get 10 or 15 ads, and the moment you will be watching each and every ad, you will be getting a 1 point each. So it's very fantastic, no? So to earn money from watching ad is very very easiest job, I think, because if we are supposed to watch advertisement from any other media like from television or other thing, we are not supposed to get money. But if we can invest the same time by watching the videos, we are watching the advertisement from the Jamcash, we can earn. We have been spending a lots of time in watching unimportant ads on the televisions. So if we can give a little time, we can earn at least $10. Means if you earn $10 a day, in the same way you can earn the 10 into 30 days. If you invest 30 days for 1 hour each and every day, you will be earning 30 into 10. That means at least $300 you will be earning out of watching advertisement. So $300, if we multiply that with our local currency, Indian currency, I think 60 rupees. So 300 into 60, how much? It is around 18,000 rupees. So friends, this is how you can earn 18,000 rupees per month by watching. Is it a very tough job? I don't think is it a very tough job for you. So each and everybody, I think they can invest their time. They must have their potentiality. They must have their determination. It is not like that. See friends, some of the friends, they have joined. They later ask that they are not getting money. So it is not like that. You will be joining. First of all, you will be getting $1. It's okay. You have. आप लोगों को $1 तो मिल गया ना, तो बाद में तो कुछ तो आपको परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा. देखिए ऐसे तो नहीं. It is not like that you will be always asking for any ads or like that. But you have to put your time. You have to put your time for the particular thing. So as you can see, that it is taking a long time for the France country. So it is not. It is okay. We can also go out from this one. We can again select another country. So if we select another country from the VPN, we can also see ads, because ads are always there. It is up to you which country you will select. At the moment you will be watching ads, the main thing that you will be getting the dollar in your account. And with this process, your money will get increased day by day. And it is, you also know, my dear friends, from Jamcash is allowing each and everybody to encash their fund. At least they have their $10 in their account. So as far as I know the fact that most of the countries, they are allowing Jamcash to have their advertisement. Already Jamcash has been tied up with different other company like Great Britain, Germany, and it is already 280 countries, my dear friends, you can have. 280 countries you can see their ads, and with the help of this VPN you can watch and you can earn money. And it is also that you can recruit people. You can make other people from other country in your team. Suppose if you are supposed to recruit at least 10 people from other country, these 10 people, they do the same activity by recruiting 10 another people, each and everybody, then how much your team member after one month? It is around 1,000. So in this process, next month you will be getting 10,000 people, and next month you will be getting 1 lakh people, each and everybody. It is our commitment, my dear friends. I request all my members, including my team members and other also who are watching my YouTube these videos, please try to recruit 10 people from your circle and ask them to do the same thing by recruiting another 10 people from the each head. So in this process, my dear friends, if you are supposed to recruit 10 people and then these 10 people are supposed to recruit another 10, within 6 months your member will be around 1 crore within 6 months. And suppose, my dear friends, if each and everybody are earning 1 rupees, within 1 rupees per head, then this 1 crore people will be earning 1 crore rupees, and your income will be, my dear friend, 50% of their income, that is 50 lakhs. Can you imagine the income, how much you can earn from the Jamcash? So my dear friends, you don't have to worry about, you just put your mind, your brain, your activities with this work. Within the coming 6 months, I am giving you guarantee, if you follow my instruction, if you do the same process what I have just now told to you, if you follow the process, basic process is like that, you can earn at least 50 lakhs to 1 crore from this company. And if you are really interested to join in this company, you follow my instruction, and my refer ID you can see in the video. I am putting my refer ID 8630824. You can join in my team. If you join in my team, I can give you more videos, because coming days I am developing more videos for the people for earning, so that they can earn a lot of dollars, at least $10 to $50 per day, my dear friends. Okay, please like and subscribe my my channel, and so that in the next videos you can get the instructions based on the income.